In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate elements here in Canva. So first off, we're going to need some elements. So let's come over here to elements on the left hand side. I've already just inputted funny and we've got all of these elements just here. So let's just go ahead and take one of these. Let's go with this one. Now to rotate this is really simple. Now this is going to apply to any elements as well, also images and shapes as well. But all we have to do is click onto the graphic or the element, then right underneath we see this little icon. Now if we hover over that, that's going to turn purple, and then we can slowly rotate this. Now if we look under, just round about here, we can see that it also tells you the angle of the rotation as well. So we can rotate right, we can rotate left, and we can rotate this upside down. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to rotate elements here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.